Now I am taking a very important example where we will find the solution and that solution will be expressed on the number line. Problem is solve for x 7x plus 3 is less than 5x plus 9. So the graph of solution on number line. It is 7x plus 3 is less than 5x plus 9. As usual approach of solving the linear equation, we will follow to shift all variables on the left side and all constants on the right side. So for this we can say 7x minus 5x is less than what? 9 minus 3. Or it says that 2x is less than 6, or on dividing by 2 we can say x is less than 3. X is less than 3. If I write this solution, this will be minus infinity to 3. Minus infinity to 3 is the solution set of this required linear inequality. Question is how to represent on the number line. If I say roughly this is a number line, here center part origin 0, positive zone of x values, negative zone of x values. From origin or 0 to right side it is tending toward positive infinity, and from here to left side it is tending toward negative infinity. Reason to represent is, suppose it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Here solution says value of x is less than 3. Means each value which is less than 3 but what? But not equal to 3. So I am putting a cross on 3. This 3 is not a set, but every value less than 3 is the solution. So if I can dark this line which is on the left side from the value 3, shows that this is the representation of the number line. Here I would like to add one more thing which is very important. Suppose if I say minus x is greater than 5, what is the answer of x? It is very necessary to understand, as and when we shift this negative from, only sign is shifted from left to right, then automatically this inequality needs to reverse. So what will be the answer in this case? This implies x will be less than minus 5. Is one more verification I can show you. Suppose if I have a value minus 2 which is greater than minus 3. It's a true fact. Minus 2 is greater than minus 3. It is a true fact. But if I say that minus and minus get cancelled, then we cannot say 2 is greater than 3. So obviously what has to do, this is a wrong statement, because here I explained you, as and when from negative is shifted, inequality get reversed. So this is a wrong. The correct will be 2 is less than 3. So ultimately you need to remember always, whenever you will solve the problems of linear inequality, that when negative is shifted from left to right, then the inequality get reversed. This is a correct answer. So this is the way that this set of number solutions is represented on the number line.